Hey there, home cooks. Today, I'm diving into the ultimate guide for preparing king crab legs at home. Whether you're a seafood aficionado or just looking to impress at your next dinner party, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about steaming. Start by thawing your crab legs overnight in the refrigerator. This helps maintain that sweet, tender meat we all love. Now grab a large pot and fill it with about 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then place a steaming rack or colander above the water level. Arrange your crab legs on the rack, cover the pot, and steam for 6-10 minutes until they're heated through. Easy, right? Next, let's move on to baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Again, remember to thaw those crab legs overnight. Place the crab legs in a shallow baking pan and add about 1/8 inch of hot water to the pan. This creates a steam effect. Cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil and bake for 8-10 minutes. Simple and effective. Now, onto the fun part, serving. Enhance your dining experience by serving the crab legs with melted butter, garlic sauce, or a squeeze of fresh lemon. Pair them with sides like steamed vegetables, rice pilaf, or crusty bread for a complete meal. A quick tip: when purchasing king crab legs, opt for reputable suppliers to ensure quality and sustainability. Properly thawing the crab legs before cooking is essential to maintain their texture and flavor. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy restaurant-quality king crab legs right in the comfort of your home. So why wait? Get cooking and dive into the deliciousness. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tips and tricks. Happy cooking!